bisexual anthem. Buy price, stand up.
I like girls, I like guys, I like to eat the pussy, then again I like to ride. Yeah, I like kissing on girls and then I put the dick inside. I'm bisexual, bitch, and I ain't got nothing to hide.
Yeah, these bitches hating on me cause I'm confident in me. Better not forget the B and LGBT. And y'all like to say we selfish and y'all say we like to cheat, but I don't date both at the same time. Haters, have a seat. I like girls, oh my gosh, big booty, big tits. I like guys too though, super sexy, big dick. And if you hating on me, ho, then I'm down, big shit. And if you curious, I got you, baby girl, quick fix. How the fuck you date a guy when you're bi? You're a fake ass dyke, I don't like you, I won't lie. You cannot date both, pick a side, pick a side. Do you like fucking girls or do you like fucking guys? I like both. Buy price, stand up. I like a girly little thing, and my dude man up. Walking to the strip club and then I throw my bands up. And when he get me sloppy toppy, like to throw my hands up. If I wanna date a girl and we don't work out, then it's cool. Sexuality is fluid, it's okay to date a dude. If I date a fucking guy and we break up, it's okay to date a pretty girl, ain't no fake love.
I like girls, I like guys, I like to eat the pussy, then again I like to ride. Yeah, I like kissing on girls and then I put the dick inside. I'm bisexual, bitch, and I ain't got nothing to hide.
Yeah, these bitches hating on me cause I'm confident in me. Better not forget the B and LGBT. And y'all like to say we selfish and y'all say we like to cheat, but I don't date both at the same time. Haters, have a seat. I like girls, oh my gosh, big booty, big tits. I like guys too though, super